In this tutorial, we will learn how to reinstall OS using Virtualizor Automatic OS Reinstaller. You can install or reinstall the operating system using the virtualizer. However, this option will delete all the data on your VPS. Click on the Manage icon of the VPS in which you wish to install the operating system. Click on the Install tab and select the appropriate version of the operating system you wish to install. Enter the password in the new password input box and retype the password to confirm it in the retype password input box. You can also generate a secure password automatically. To generate a password automatically, click on the key icon. Copy and save the generated password and then click OK. Leave this box for Format Primary Disk unchecked and click on the Reinstall button. If you need the data on the VPS, you must have a backup. If you don't have the backup, click on the Cancel button, else click on the OK button to proceed. The OS installation begins and it may take few minutes to finish. That's it, now you know how to reinstall OS using Virtualizor. Thank you for watching.